This was actually a very happy mail day for me today. I had 2 parcels show up, so I'm going to film them back to back. But the first one I have to show for you today is from Mumsy and Bub. Kat was kind enough to send me one of their new release winter traveler's notebooks. So I have a good idea of what's in here, but let's open her up and get a good look. Okay, so here is our package. By the looks of it, there are some extra goodies in here, which is always exciting. So let's see what we have. Turn around. So wrapped in white tissue paper, which you guys know I can always use, always super handy. We have a card in here for, I think this is their digital design store. Then I have a Mumsy and Bub business card. It has the link for the Facebook group on it, so that's always handy. Then we have a 2021 calendar. This is actually super handy because I have been trying to teach my son about time and how many days we have left in the month, and I keep meaning to pick up a calendar and I have not done so. So I can use this in the meantime before I get a decent size one. Then we have some, we have some pens and some washi and some tweezers, super handy. Actually, my very fine point tweezers have been absorbed by the household. So these are perfect. They're very pretty powder blue color. We have some fine point ones, lovely, and then some angle point ones. So these are fantastic for laying down stickers. They're fantastic for washi tape, but they're also fantastic for scrapbooking when I am placing my ephemera. I just really like to use my angled tweezers, and yeah, these could not have come at a better time. Super handy, really pleased with those. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look at these pens. We have a pink, I think it is a ballpoint by the looks of it. Yep, a pink ballpoint crystal barrel pen. Very, very pretty. It's just a twist up. So that will go in my pretty pen cup. Okay, then we have a mermaid pen, which is just a pull cap and another ballpoint, I think. And then we have just a plain, oh, awesome, Papermate Gel 0.7. These are actually my husband's favorite gel pens. So that will definitely come in handy. They write really nice and smooth. I really love the Papermate gels, actually. So awesome to have. Okay. Then, oh, it just doesn't stop. Okay, another VIP card, a very pretty charm. How pretty is that? Moon and star. I'll try and get one, hopefully my lights play. It's kind of like resin set in metal. Really, really pretty, shiny resin, and then a little blue star. So cute, especially if you have a galaxy themed planner. A couple of note cards here. Oh, foiled. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, they are so pretty. Okay. Oh, I can't get over the foil on that one. That's so nice. It's just this pretty girl in her garden with some little butterflies and a fountain. Lots of pretty holographic foiling. Oh, I can't get over how pretty that is. My gosh. Love that. And then this is very pretty as well. Another girl sitting in her garden, this time at night. And we have a gold, it's like a gold glitter foil. Very pretty also. Trying to get the foil without getting the glare off the card. Really nice cards, nice weight, nice quality. Printing, oh, they're double-sided. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty too. Feather on the back. Is the other one double-sided? Yeah, okay. So that one's double-sided too. So the backside isn't foiled. They're really pretty. Now here's some washi, all galaxy themed by the looks of things. I'm going to unwrap these at the end because I do want to show you these unrolled, but I want to take some photos first before I go breaking into them. So I'll just zoom in close first of all. So we have this nice big 10mm one with moons and stars hanging. I think that's foiled. I can't really tell through the packet. Then we have this one, which is bows and flowers and tiny little stars. And then the moon washi, different phases of the moon. Very, very pretty. For now, let's get into the start of the show, the Traveler's Notebook. So they always come in this cotton bag, which is really nice. And here is the Traveler's Notebook. Look at that. I mean, come on. That is so pretty. Super, super glittery. This is called Ice Queen. It's a B6 Traveler's Notebook with a snap closure. It's super, super pretty. I'm not sure whether it's holographic or duochrome, but it has this beautiful pinky purple glitter. Just stunning. Super, super shiny. Okay, so let's open it up. Now the inside is this beautiful pebbled faux leather texture. They are faux. All of Mumsy and Bub products are faux, so they're suitable for, you know, cruelty-free, vegan, all that. Really, really pretty on the inside. This really pretty creamy white color, and then you have pink stitching all the way around. This pretty scallop pocket, which is stitched all the way around, then a secretarial pocket, 4 strings, a nice generous spine. Then we have a wallet style front with the large horizontal pocket, card slots and a card window, a little pocket behind those, a zipper pocket, nice generous that goes all the way to the end. So this avoids having to have any kind of wallet inserts already built into the planner. So it is a snap closure, but it does have the strings. You can get a rings version as well, I believe. There is a pen loop on the side here if you would like to use that, but it's pressed quite flat for now. So if you don't like to carry a pen with you, and a lot of people don't like to carry the pen in the pen loop because it can catch on things, you don't have to use that. So that is just absorbed really nicely into the snap closure. This is a B6 size. Okay, now I am currently in a mini happy planner. I've been using this since the start of the year. I have consistently used this since the start of the year. I haven't stickered it always, but I have used it pretty much every week. I don't think I've missed many weeks at all. I have missed a few, but I was pretty consistent with this, as you can see. Probably the most consistent I've been with a planner in a long time. Okay, that looks like I haven't used it, but I have actually put it in pencil. I was just really busy that week. And then quite a few weeks I just used pen. So this size of Happy Planner is perfect for this cover. It will fit in here just nicely. So I haven't really decided how I want to do this yet. Okay, so that is my unboxing. So I am going to leave the link to the shop in the description box below so you can go check it out. I'll leave the link to the Facebook group as well so you can get all the VIP goodies, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.